Hi, I'm Wayne with Mr. Handyman. Exhaust fans benefit your home by removing moisture and odor. Today we'll be showing you how to replace a malfunctioning exhaust fan. Safety is very important when dealing with electricity in your home. Make sure the fan is switched off if possible and that the power is turned off at the electrical panel. Remove the fan cover and disconnect power from the motor as well as the light if one is present. Unscrew the motor and remove it. You may be able to clean and reinstall the existing motor if that fixes the problem you are having. If the new fan is the same size as the existing fan, you can reuse the housing. The housing on ours was unable to be used. Due to its location, we also needed to cut the drywall. Disconnect the motor housing. Secure the vent pipe to the housing using metal tape, then secure the housing. Install the new motor and then connect the power cord to the motor. Turn the power back on and test to make sure that the fan is working properly. Make sure your new fan is vented to the outside of your home. It's important that moisture doesn't collect in your attic. Finally, attach the fan cover. If you need help replacing an exhaust fan or have a much larger project, Mr. Handyman is your one-stop shop for all your home maintenance and repair solutions.